Hello friends, before I start in this video I'm going to make some changes to the trailer migration. So if I open, and here we have the trailer migration, we have web name and web URL, but I don't want to add URL here, I want to add embed code. So for that I'm going to say embed HTML, and here I'm going to change this to be just name. This is going to be string, well, but this is going to be, because it's going to be embed all the embed HTML code is going to be text, and hit save, close now, and run the artisan migrate fresh, and it's going to flash everything. Also in the trailer URL we need to change the web name to be name, and also the web URL to be embed HTML. Okay, hit save, close this one, and now if I go to the browser and refresh, yeah, we need to log in, but we don't have a user. So we need to register as a new user with name test.com, and add a password. Register. We don't have the right roles, so we need to create roles, because we flash the migrate. And I'm going to say PHP artisan permission create role admin, and also the one for the user. Okay. Now if I open the web PHP, and when we go to the dashboard, I'm going to say authenticated user, assign a role with the name admin, and hit save. Now go to the browser and navigate to the dashboard. Okay, now if I go to the movies, yeah, we have the right roles. So remove now this and save, close the web PHP. Okay, I'm going to add 2 movies here. So paste.id, click generate, and we generate a movie. I'm going to generate another one. Copy this one and generate that movie. We don't have genres, so we only create a movie. We don't attach the genres. Okay, now when we click here, we show modal for trailer movie. Now here we need to add a form. So come here and go to the movie index. Here we have a form. I'm going to copy this form we have for the edit and paste it here. We need to remove some so we need only the name and the embed HTML. For that I'm going to leave the overview, which is text area, and the title is going to be name, and the wire model is going to be trailer name. Overview is going to be, and the same thing for the error. Here is going to be the embed HTML. Okay, we don't want to be here, but Livewire model for the embed HTML, and I think we are okay. It's safe, and refresh the browser. Click here, and yeah, we have name and the trailer. Now when we click add trailer, for now we reset everything. So when we go back add trailer, yeah, we say this.reset. And that trailer, we need to create a method relationship here. So in the movie, create a method public function, and I'm going to say trailers and return $this morph many and trailer URL class and trailer applet. Okay, save and close this one. Now here when you show a trailer model, we have the movie ID, and I'm going to say $this movie. We have this movie is going to be movie find or fail the movie ID. Okay, now we have a movie when you show a trailer model. For that, here we can say this movie and trailers create, and we need that name, which is we need that trailer name here. So public $trailer name, and also the embed HTML. Okay, and down we can say the name is this trailer name, and the embed HTML is $this HTML, embed HTML. Okay, now if I go and try, come here, refresh. First go to the movie. When we have play trailer, I'm going to copy the embed code here and go and say YouTube for the name, paste the embed HTML and click add trailer. Nothing happened. But if I come to the database, we see we have the embed HTML, and the trailer applet ID is 2, which is the movie ID, and the type is movie. Okay, we need to come here and say I'm going to copy what we have here, paste it, and say message trailer added, and reset, and it's going to reset everything. For that, come here again, refresh, and I'm going to do the same thing here, but I'm going to change the name here to say Vimeo, for example. And yeah, we have trailer added. We close the modal, and if I go to the database, I refresh, here we have. Now to show you, we have a trailer for this one. I'm going to go to the movie index, and in the content, I'm going to check if we have movie, because when we show trailer modal. We add the movie to this, associate the movie with the movie ID here. And if for that, I'm going to check if we have a movie, because we don't need to add that. If we have a movie, I'm going to say for each $sign movie trailers as trailer, and here display the trailer name. Hit save and refresh here. Now if I click here, okay, we don't display the trailer name. And why we don't display? Yeah, here we have the Vimeo. Okay, go to the database. Yeah, we have the same. So I'm going to copy this one as well. And now if I say add trailer to the red notice and say YouTube, we close. And you know that why we have all so this movie with ID2 is because when we add the first one, we don't reset, and the movie was this movie. So now if I say here trailer, we have YouTube, and for this one we have YouTube and Vimeo. Okay, friends, hope you enjoy, and see you in the next one. In the next video, I'm going to make this a button, and when we click, we can remove a trailer and we can add more trailers. This is the same thing if you want to add links. For example, here, when we show the movie, add the links to go and watch to the Netflix or whenever you want, or to download. It's the same thing with the trailer. You create a model and migration and do the same logic. Okay, all the best, friends.